Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but now we're in quarantine, I have a lot more time to film. And today's is going to be a recreation of one of the latest trends that's going around on Instagram at the moment. Before I turn the camera on, I prime my eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. And then I just went straight in with my Anastasia Norvina palette. It's the volume 2 one. And that is the same palette I'm going to be using to draw on these little circles. If you're trying this out at home and it looks a bit messy at this point like mine does, it doesn't matter too much because we are going to clean it up with concealer after we've finished. Once I've finished with the yellow colour, I'm going to use the same brush, just clean it off and then use it for the blue. And I'm just going to add a darker shade of blue just to define. Now I'm just going in with a small liner brush just to shape the circles a bit more, as when we've been blending we've kind of lost that shape a bit. And now we're going to add the third and final colour. For this I use a very small pointed brush. I recommend the PC45 by Peaches and Cream. It's an amazing small liner brush. And I'm just going to go in with a darker shade of orange, maybe a purple, just so we get that kind of colour definition. And I'm going to add purple to both the orange and the blue side. Now I'm just wiping away that little bit of eyeshadow and primer that's on my lid before we clean the edges with concealer, just because I don't want to pat a lot of makeup on that one area, as for me it starts to look a bit cakey when I do, so I always wipe it away first with a Q-tip. Now with concealer I always start with a round flat packing brush just to get a little bit of shape, and then once I've got the shape I'm going to go in with the same Peaches and Cream liner brush just to make it look a little bit more sharp. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer here. This brush is the Morphe M224. I have about 10 of these. They are so great for cut creases, so if you haven't got one, definitely purchase one. I'm sorry if the lighting goes a bit pink in some parts. I have no idea why, but it is annoying me too. So now I'm just going to create that wing with the same three colours that we used on the yellow circle. So first I'm going in with the pink, then I'm going to go in with the orange, and then I'm just going to buff that all out together with the yellow colour so it all blends nice and seamlessly. These are still all colours from the Norvina Volume 2 palette. And just for the record, I do have tape on my eye just because I feel like it makes the eyeshadow really nice and clean, and it looks more just appealing to me. So I'm doing my foundation and my eyebrows off camera just because I thought it would make this tutorial a little bit more quicker. And now I'm doing my under eyes. I'm going to use the same pink colour and blend it out with the same orange and yellow that we've been using throughout the tutorial. I'm just using this very small round brush to do that. Then just going in with my favourite mascara. I only use a little bit because we will be applying lashes. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I recommend this to everyone, it's so good. I apply my lashes off camera and then I will show you the finished look. But I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and I really want to see your recreations. So if you do this look, check out my Instagram and tag me. I really hope this helped you guys out, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.